The UK Supreme Court has ruled that the government's Rwanda asylum scheme is unlawful. This is a big blow to the UK government led by Rishi Sunak. However, Sunak is pinning his hopes on a new law. Sunak says his Tory government will introduce an emergency legislation which will declare that Rwanda is a safe country. And according to Sunak, the UK government is already working on the new treaty with Rwanda that will address the points made by the Supreme Court. Sunak said that if the situation demands that he is ready to rewrite the domestic legislation. The Supreme Court agreed with the Court of Appeal in concluding that there was a real risk of refoulement. The United Nations Human Rights Commission had also raised these concerns about the judicial system. It added that agencies like the UNHCR and the UN Refugee Agency have provided evidence. Reacting to this, Sunak said that he cannot allow foreign courts to interfere in UK's internal matter.
So let me tell everybody now, I will not allow a foreign court to block these flights. If the Strasbourg court chooses to intervene against the expressed wishes of Parliament, I am prepared to do what is necessary to get flights off. I will not take the easy way out, because I fundamentally do not believe that anyone thinks the founding aims of the European Convention on Human Rights was to stop a sovereign parliament removing illegal migrants to a country deemed to be safe in parliamentary statute and binding international law.
The UK government's Rwanda plan was designed to stop people crossing in small boats across the channel and instead send them to Rwanda, where they could claim asylum or go home or seek a third country, but not the UK. The ruling comes just 2 days after the shock sacking of Suella Braverman that has split the Tories. After her sacking, Braverman has dug in her heels by writing a scathing resignation letter which denounces Sunak's leadership as weak and failing to deliver on key policies that was promised. The dismissed UK Home Secretary was dropped for her comments last week about the government's policies in the handling of a pro-Palestinian march.
Stickers with red, white, black and green colors before marching through central London to Parliament Square. The demonstration was one of the largest the country has seen in recent years. Last week's were more than 100